Hi everybody, it's your girl Kim and I'm back again with another video. Shout out to the person that sent me this shirt. They did not leave a name, so I don't know. I believe this is my first time wearing this shirt in a video, but shout out to you. I actually really like it, even though I prefer the color black. But this burgundy color is actually really cute and it fits really well. I really like this shirt. But let's get to the video. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, and leave your girl some comments. I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that's watching everything: vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, sip and chat. If you are doing all those things, you are my MVP, my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments. Let me know what is on your wish list for Candle Day. That's what this video is going to be about, my wish list for Candle Day. If you don't know, Candle Day is December 3rd as well as the 4th. They're doing it for 2 days this year. Yes, last year they did it for 3 days and it was crazy, but this year they decided to do it for 2 days. So you gotta be ready, you gotta be prepared, you gotta have a wish list so you know exactly which candles you're going to buy. Also, I want to send a big shout out to Sense Galore. This is where I got all of my pictures, well, not all of them, but most of my pictures from her page. So you can follow her over on Instagram if you want to know the newest, the latest, everything that's going on. Go follow her on Instagram if you have Instagram, Sense Galore. And of course I will post her information. I got my list right here. Got my list of candles that I'm going to buy. I'm going to shop online as well as I'm going into the store. I'm doing both. I'm going into the store as well as shop online. I don't know how many candles I'm going to get. My plan is to get 4 crates. And you know, crates is the thing that they put the candles in. I plan on getting 4 crates from inside the store, and online my plan is to only buy 12. And if y'all don't know, I normally buy 1 scent, but I always get 2 of that scent, just because, you know, with Candle Day a lot of the times the candles sell out. You know, if you only have 1, believe me, you're gonna wish that you had 2, especially if it's a candle that you really like. So it's best to always, well, in my situation or in my case or what I do, I usually just get 2 of everything. So when you really think about it, I'm really only getting 12 candles when you really kind of think about it, because I'm getting 2 of each. So to say all that, make sure you have a plan. Make sure your budget is going to allow you to buy whatever it is that you want. You know, you don't want to go into the store and you see some extra items but you didn't really budget for it. So it's best to just go above your budget, or save beyond what you think you're gonna spend, because you just never know. We all just assume that these candles that's on this list is gonna come out. They might have some more that we just don't know about. So you never know. So you just always want to be prepared. And then also right after Christmas, the semi-annual sale starts. So at least you'll have a little bit money saved up for that particular sale. So yes, so let's get this one going, because I already know this is probably going to be a long video, so let's get it going. Okay, the first candle that's on my list is Strawberry Sparkler. The scent notes is strawberry, prosecco, I think that's how you pronounce that wine, rose water, and vanilla. I'm gonna grab this candle just because it's new. It's with that Giving Thanks collection, I believe, but I am going to grab that one. Hopefully I pronounced that wine right. Prosecco. The next one I'm gonna get is Mahogany Vanilla, bergamot, and sandalwood. I think I'm gonna really really enjoyed this candle. One, because y'all know all of Bath and Body Works mahogany candles really throw good. So I believe that this candle is really going to throw good. And y'all know I love sandalwood and I love all of their mahogany candles. So I think this is going to be one to get. And I plan on actually buying 3 of those, maybe. For sure 2, maybe 3. The next one I'm going to get is Marble Chocolate Cupcake, Cocoa, Milk Chocolate, Vanilla Glaze. That one, I really don't care for chocolate scented candles, but I am going to grab at least 1, maybe 2. But I know for a fact I'm going to grab at least 1 of those candles. The next one is Blush Poinsettia, Rose Petals, Ivy, Marshmallow. I'm kind of on the fence about this one, but because it's a new candle, I'm gonna just go ahead and grab 2, because with their policy, if I don't like this candle, I can always return it. So that's the reason why I'm just gonna go ahead and buy 2 of these candles. But usually I really don't care for a lot of rose scented candles, but because it's rose petal and I do have this wallflower that's called Rose Petal Linen, hopefully it smells like that one, which I kind of think is going to be more creamy versus fresh. So I don't know, this one might be good. I'm just hoping and crossing my fingers that it's just like that wallflower. I really hope it is. The next one I'm going to get is Toasted Hazelnut Praline, hazelnut, toasted marshmallows, and vanilla wood. This one is right up my alley. The first thing I thought about is my favorite candle was that Toasted Marshmallow S'mores candle. I think that's the name of it. Absolutely love that candle. So when I seen that they was coming out with this Toasted Hazelnut Praline candle, that was the first thing I thought about. And I said, you know what? That's one that I most definitely have to get. And I think I'm going to try my best to grab at least 3 of those. Again, if I don't like it, I can always return it. The next one that I'm on the fence about is Iced Winter Balsam. If you remember that Nordic, I think that's the name of it, tree collection came out many years ago. All of them had those really pretty green jars. If I have a picture, I'll insert it. I think this candle might be that evergreen wreath candle. I'm not sure, but it kind of sort of got some of the same scent notes. So I'm a little on the fence about this one. I'm normally on the fence about all of the like green type of candles, like evergreen, fresh balsam, any candles that have a lot of that balsam in it. I really don't run for those candles, even though I like those candles, but I really like more of foodie candles or fruity candles, you know, things like that. So I don't really have a whole lot of those green light candles or tree scented candles. Now I truly do love tree form. Yes, tree form is amazing. Under the Christmas tree, amazing. But remember, those are candles that has like sweet notes included in them. This one don't. This one is eucalyptus, pine, and balsam. That's telling me that this is really gonna be more like that evergreen candle. So I'm kind of on the fence. I put it on my list, but I really don't think I'm gonna buy that candle. The next one is blue spruce and spice. The scent notes is blue spruce. I'm assuming that's a tree. I think that's an evergreen tree, I believe. And nutmeg and warm amber. Again, I'm on the fence about this one. I might just grab 1 of these candles, but I'm not going to go in on this one because again, it's that green, that tree-like scent. I think that nutmeg is really going to make this candle really spicy like, but it's still going to have that green note, that tree note, that evergreen note in it. So I'm on the fence. I might just grab 1 of those. I did have Fresh Winter Air, but I already have that candle. That came out last year, and I think it's been out a couple of times. So I'm skipping on that one. Merry Maple Pancakes. Yes, yes, yes. I need that in my collection. So yes, I will be grabbing that one. The scent notes is fresh berries, maple syrup, and cinnamon sugar. Yes, yes, yes. I need that one. So I might grab 2 of those. I'm not going to grab 3 because there's so many more candles. I like this one, but this isn't one that I say, oh, I have to have it. Yes, I do have to have this in my collection, but I feel like I might not need 3 of these. Because to me, I got a feeling it's going to come off like, just like all of the other pancake type candles. It's going to have that buttery note in it, I believe, and it's going to have that sweet note. I personally don't think we're going to get a whole lot of that fresh berries in this candle, but again, I don't know. And it's rumored that this candle is a repackage of strawberry maple pancakes. I don't know, because I don't own that candle and I've never smelt that candle, so I don't know. Strawberry maple pancakes came out with that whole limited edition candle collection, I do believe. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I've noticed a lot of those candles is starting to pop up now, but it's rumored that that's a dupe or a repackage of that candle. I don't know. I don't own it. Okay, the next one I'm going to get is Vanilla Swirl Brownie. Everybody is saying that this is a repackage of the cookies and cream milkshake that came out last candle day that everybody was going crazy on. I'm only going to grab 1 of those candles because I still have those other candles. The cookies and cream milkshake, I still have 2 of those, so I might only grab 1 of this one. And the scent notes in this one is chocolate cookie crumble, vanilla bean, ice cream, and chocolate drizzle. I think that's supposed to be vanilla bean ice cream and chocolate drizzle. I wrote it and it's little. So I will be grabbing 1 of those candles. The next one is Cinnamon Spice Vanilla. Cinnamon Spice Vanilla, I don't know. I don't know about that one. If I see it, Cinnamon Spice Vanilla, I don't know. I'm on the fence about that one. Again, I like cinnamon, but I don't like cinnamon being the dominant note in my candles. Yeah, it's good, but let's see the notes. The scent notes is ground cinnamon, sugar crystals, Tahitian vanilla bean. I really think this is going to be more of a cinnamon candle. As you do see, vanilla is always a light scent in candles, in my opinion. Sugar, that's just going to sweeten it up a little bit more. So that tells me the dominant note in this candle is going to be that cinnamon. Hopefully it's more of a toned down cinnamon, and it's not like the cinnamon that's in that pumpkin cinnamon swirl candle. Yeah, I know everybody love that candle, but for me, it's just too cinnamon heavy for me. That's the reason why I really don't buy that candle. Yes, I have a couple in my collection, but I don't never ever burn it for some reason, because I just think I really don't care for cinnamon that much. I like the toned down cinnamon. It's Red Velvet Cupcake. Yes, I want this Red Velvet Cupcake, even though I know Red Velvet Cupcake is going to be more of a chocolate candle, because I do have DW, wait a minute y'all, I do have DW Red Velvet Cupcake candle, and yes, it does smell like chocolate, and I do believe that this one is going to smell like chocolate. The scent notes is red velvet cake, cream cheese frosting, sweet vanilla. So yes, this is going to be chocolate heavy, but from my understanding, everybody loves this candle. This has been out before, and it's making a return, you know, but everybody loved this candle, and there's a lot of talk behind this candle. A lot of people is very excited to see them bring this candle back. So this will be one that I pick up. I'm going to grab 2 of those. Another one, raspberry and whipped vanilla. There's rumor that this candle is going to be out in the 3 wick. They have it in a single wick most of the time. What they do in a single wick, they normally do in a 3 wick. So hopefully we do see this candle inside the store on candle day. Hopefully. Scent notes is pink raspberry, strawberry, and sugar lemon drops. That's the scent notes. Yes, I will be grabbing at least 2 of these. I know this sounds like I'm grabbing way more than 24 candles, and it might be more than 24 candles. That's the reason why I said sometimes you have to save more than what you planning on getting, because you just never know. My store might not even have half these candles. Who knows? So this is a just in case list for me. These are candles that I really, really want. And hopefully I can find them at the stores that I go to. Paris Cafe will be returning. I'm not sure if it's going to be returning for Candle Day, but if I do see it, I will be grabbing 1 of those candles. Only 1, because I already have 2 in the collection. And if you don't know, there's going to be another price increase on candles. And I think I still have the photo. I will post a picture of that. Paris Cafe candle is $26.50. So just be aware that after Candle Day and probably after Christmas and everything, first of the year, candle prices probably will be going up again. So yeah, the next one is Ocean. Ocean, like the ocean in the men's body care collection, they're releasing a candle. So I will be grabbing at least 1 of those. Something's telling me to grab at least 2, but I'm really kind of siding with just grabbing 1. The scent notes is blue cypress, vetiver, coastal air. If you smell the body care, then you know what the candles smell like. So I know that is probably their #1 men's care item at Bath and Body Works, I believe. I'm not 100% sure, but I know they keep bringing that out. They discontinue a lot of scents, but that's one scent that they keep bringing back. So that tells me that it's probably their #1 scent or body care that they have for men. Okay, and the last one that I know I'm not going to get, but it is coming back. It came out last year. Cranberry Pear Bellini. I'm not getting that because I still have the ones from last year, and I really didn't care for that candle too much. It was just okay for me. So that's one that I will not be getting, but it is going to come back. If that's one of your favorite candles that you loved last year and you didn't get enough of them, that candle is coming back. The scent notes is pear nectar, cranberries, apricot, and black currant. So it's coming back. If that's one that you like, then it is coming back. And basically that's my whole list. Those are all the candles that I do plan on getting. Leave in the comments, let me know your top 3 candles that you have to have. Your top 3. My top 3 candles that I'm looking for, the ones that I know when I first hit the store that I'm running for, has to be the toasted hazelnut praline. The next one is the mahogany vanilla. And then I'll say the Mary Maple pancakes. Those are my top 3 candles that I know if I don't get anything, those are the ones that I really, really want. Everything else is a maybe. Well, Mary Maple pancakes and red velvet cupcakes are probably kind of equal. So yeah, those are the ones that I want. Those are the ones that I'm really, really running for, and hope that I do find those in the store. So leave me your top 3 candles that's on your list, the ones that you have to have. If you can't find nothing else, those are the 3 that you most definitely is gonna look for. And if you don't find those 3, you're gonna be a little bit mad. So leave that in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video. Like I said, leave comments, follow your girl on Instagram, and also hit that notification bell so you're notified every time your girl posts a video. And happy Candle Day shopping, y'all. Happy Candle Day shopping. Be safe, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.